Oh, wave, RJ. Wave, wave. So you have RJ, no? President of Green Valley College, waving on top of the area. We're in Ajlon. Yan, no? Ilang stories yan? Ipang ilan ka? Ikailan ang story yan? Third? So this is yung parang military outpost used by the Ottomans as a defensive garrison daw to. Tignan mo naman, oh. Elevated siya. Okay. Let us see. Right na sa loob lang. Two main castle gates. Barbican Gate and the Portcullis Gate. Ano po ito? Established in the Ayyubid era in year 1184 AD in the face of danger of the Crusader kingdoms. Sa kuan pa to, mga Islamic countries, no? Kasi kalaban ng mga Crusaders. So this is yung entrance. Paano ako makapasok dito? Kahit hanggang dito lang, no? Tingnan mo naman yung yan, siguro probably during the time tubig pa yan. Here also, no? Yung fortifications niya. So this is Muslim fortification, no? Kasi mga Ottomans before, ang fear nila yung mga Crusaders. Sa movie makita mo to, no? Here, pakyat. Open pa dito for guns. Ayan. Mataas. Ayan. This is mga 4 stories, no? Nasa second story pa tayo. Grabe yung then you have me dyan. Okay. Akit. Oh.